Welcome to this tutorial to for those who try to fix the problem the GPU getting shut your computer and book your game um, and crash. So I'm here on Apex Legends. If you wanna know, this is my video settings. You can pause video and see it. It's turned off. I turned off all, almost all. So this is not the solution. I'm getting there. Just let me show you the error message. I took a screenshot before my computer get a shutdown. This is it. Engine error. DXGI. Error of device hung. The application device failed due to badly formed commands sent by the application. If you got this error with this name, DXGI error device hung, I found a solution for this. It works for me. I hope it works for you. So you have to go here and type Windows respawn and respawn folder. Click it and open. Wait. So you get Apex folder and click it, and you see these three files here: assets, local, profile. These files are bugged. This file have some kind of error inside. I don't know, but here are video setting and stuff like that, assets, temps. I don't know. Just delete all this file. Delete it, cut it. I don't know. Taken away from this folder, for the respawn folder. Taken away. After you do that, go here to Steam or I think Epic Launcher, but I'm playing on Steam, so I made it here. Go to your Apex, right click it, properties, go to local files. When you're in local files, go to explore to open the Apex folder, the game Apex folder, and here you see all this file. Go here, this CFG, all this file here, GPU MAM, GPU level, all this. Just take this file, delete it, take it away too, delete it completely. After you delete all the two folders, the respawn folder and this folder, only this, you have to delete only this, nothing more, not touch anything more. So after I do this, go here and again, properties, local files, and verify the integrity of your game files. Click here. When you click here, the game download new files again. Those files you deleted, the game Steam will download it again. So the file will be in basic configuration, and I think this is all. That's all. you don't have to do nothing more. Just wait till the file download. If you want to restart your computer, you can do it, but I don't have to do it. So after download it, just play the game, click it, and try it. And I hope this can work for you. It works for me. Uh, I did it, and the game is not crashing anymore. This fucking message, I don't have this message anymore. My video card is not having problem with this game. So there is another tutorials in YouTube, but nothing helped me. So I discovered this basically. So if it worked for you, let me know it. Uh, Give me a comment, uh, and thank you for watching the video. Uh, See you guys.